So we are going to get some food at the fair.
Fair food.
Yeah. This is the Great Allentown Fair. You'll have to be the judge of that. It is a hot one tonight, and I'm not talking about her. It's like probably in the 90s, and the humidity is just oppressive. So I look even sweatier than normal, which is normally pretty sweaty. We're gonna get our first dollar menu item. We're going with a good old hot dog. She got a hot dog for me.
Yeah, this is not
She's the sandwich maker.
Thank you very much. And a hot dog too.
$1 hot dog, baby. I might get pizza tonight too. I haven't decided yet.
Is your appetizer? You're having a hot dog appetizer?
Hot dog appetizer. Am I even on camera?
Or now. Most of your head was in there before.
For $1, not bad.
And it's a very good dog.
I'd buy that for $1. Oh yeah. Work it, Teresa. So my lovely beauty queen Monica just said that you don't come to the fair and get a hot dog.
Okay, if you come to the fair on dollar food night and you can get food at any stand for $1, why would you get a hot dog? That's my point. That's all I'm saying.
Appetizer, baby. What are we getting, Sue? French fries. Those are those potato things with a funny accent. Oui, oui. This is what you have to deal with when you hang out with us. Sorry. Sorry, Suzanne. She's going to think twice about inviting us once again. We're getting a pretzel, and I'm going to allow Monica to put the mustard on there. You know why? Because it tastes better when somebody else does it. Can I get a pretzel, please? Regular mustard. For me, please. Yes. What do you think, honey? It is a pretzel with mustard. There's nothing stunning about this $1 pretzel. I'm telling you that right now.
Better than $1.
Nice. What do you think, Tree?
I think it's good.
What's up, Sue?
Really good.
Good stuff. Here's mine. Lisa's doing the ice cream. The fried Oreos going on right there. Man, those look pretty good.
Vanilla or cinnamon ice cream?
Oh, cinnamon works.
2 spoons?
Yes.
2 spoons would be great. Thank you. Cinnamon ice cream, caramel, and apples.
I know, I'm even against humanity. I don't like
Caramel apples and ice cream.
but I like her.
It's not gonna last long here.
Like when she puts
pineapple upside down cake.
Looks pretty awesome. As you can see, it's still mega hot outside as I look like a drowned rat. Of course, Monica still looks stunningly gorgeous as she always does, dressed in the finest of blue and white striped shirts, and I mean, damn. Either way, I don't have any soda, and I can't get up in the morning and go do what I gotta do without it. So we're at Target to pick it up. So I did get my new equipment today. This is a new lens. This is also the first time that I've been out in public shooting in low light. So I honestly don't have the first clue what is on the other side of the lens here. So when I get home, it could all be crap. We'll see.
All set, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.
You too.
You too.
Good food, good friends, good fun. Does it really get any better than that? I don't think so. Do me a big favor, guys. Go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I will see you soon.